Hello everyone, this is Dr. Solomon. Welcome back to the flower market in Nagoya. Let's see what else can we find inside.
Now, as you can see, a lot of flowers here. They are kind of like in a miniature size. Even these baskets, they are slightly smaller than what we're used to in the UK or maybe in Europe or America. So you see a lot of bedding plants here that is being used to create wreath and brassica. All tiny, but they are very immaculate. Now it's February. What's better plant to plant than these ranunculus? These are the giant version of the ranunculus, and they're not very expensive at all. It's almost 300 yen. 300 yen is only about £1.50, I think. So it's very reasonable. And you've got these wonderful little snowdrops. And these snowdrops are a lot of our favorite because they're so tiny and they're used as bedding plants. Now these narcissi is very popular in China or in Hong Kong, and they smell wonderful, really wonderful. We grow them for Chinese New Year, but we don't usually grow them in soil. We force them and then we cut them and we plant them in water. And if you're into gardening, why not have one of these tiny little trucks? It's only this big to go around in your little garden. Now I discovered that anemone is very popular here because it's colorful and it's quite easy to grow. And it fits in the small planters that they have here, whether it's by the window or maybe just right outside your house, add a bit of color to your home. It's really gorgeous, this one. It's a double petal. And now we're looking at the tree peonies section. And these tree peonies, you can see, they are of different colors, and each of them has a different name, all the way from magenta to yellow to white and dark chocolate color. We've got a big variety. Now growing orchids is actually a national favorite here. And look at this lady slipper. It's a lime green version. It's good enough to be a cut flower. Now, although cattleyas and orchids are best grown near Southeast Asia, like near around Hong Kong and Vietnam, these kind of orchids are more native to wet, humid environment. So growing them here is slightly more difficult than growing in humid Southeast Asia.